Next we are going to take a sum involving volume of the cylinder. This has been taken from the 9th textbook, exercise 13.6, 7th sum. Let me read out the sum. It is also given in the description box. A lead pencil consists of a cylinder of wood with a solid cylinder of graphite filled in the interior. So what are they mentioning? Here the shape is a cylinder. They have already given in the question, so no need to worry about what shape. So the cylinder of wood and a cylinder of graphite. So imagine how a pencil looks like. I will draw an unsharpened pencil. So it will be like this. If you see the top, you can see a black graphite. Like for example, if I am showing the top view, this is the top part of the pencil, which is a circle, and in between you will have the black color graphite portion. So if you just imagine the pencil, you can see only the outside wooden part, but actually there will be a lead going till the end, and it will be also in the shape of a cylinder. So they are telling the diameter of the pencil is 7 millimeters. So this part, so this total from this extreme to that extreme, let me consider it is the outer radius. Since the diameter is given, it is 7 millimeter. I am going to take the radius as 7/2 millimeter. And when I am talking about the diameter of the graphite, it is 1 millimeter. So this part is graphite's radius. So Ri, I am going to take it as interior radius. It is going to be 1 divided by 2 because it given is the diameter. So radius is half of the diameter. Next they are telling the length of the pencil is 14 centimeter. So this part is 14 centimeter. We know length for a cylinder is nothing but it's h. So h is given as what? H is given as 14 centimeter. Now when we compare all the dimensions given, we can see that the radius is given in millimeter and the height is given in centimeter. So when doing sums, the first thing which we must take care is all the units should be in the same, all must be in the same unit. So what I am going to do is I am going to keep the centimeter. I am going to write Ri now as 7/2 into 1/10 because 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. So when I am going to go from smaller to bigger, I have to divide. So 7/2 into 1/10, which is equal to 7/20 centimeter. This is for RO. Similarly, Ri becomes 1/20 centimeter. So we will keep it just like that. Apart from that, they have now, what have they asked? If the length of the pencil is 14 centimeter, find the volume of the wood. So volume of the wood is this portion and volume of the graphite is this portion. So first, if you are going to find the volume of the wood, it means I have to find the total volume and then subtract the volume of the graphite to get only the wood, because the middle portion will be not there for the wood. It will be not made of wood, it will be made of graphite. So we have to take the inner and we have to take the outer and then subtract both to get the volume of the wood. So first I'll find out the volume of the internal graphite. So it means volume of the graphite is going to be what? Volume of the graphite is going to be, for the volume of a cylinder, the formula is pi into area of the base is a circle. So pi into r square h, but here r I am going to take it as the inner one, so Ri. So this comes to 22/7 into 1/20, 2 times because square is given, into of what is the height? Height is 14. So 14. So when I simplify, what does this come to? 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 2 1s are 2, 2 10s are 20, and then again 10 and then 2 11. So it is coming as 11/100, which is equal to 0.11 centimeter cube. Remember the units, volume is in cube. So by volume of the graphite we have found it as 0.11 centimeter cube. So now I'll go and find out the volume of the wood. So when I'm considering the volume of the wood, as I have already told you, it's the volume of the outer cylinder minus the volume of the inner cylinder of graphite, because we are going to remove that portion from the wood. So volume of the wood will be volume of the outer radius minus the volume of the inner graphite one. So this is equal to, what I will do, first I will arrive at a simpler formula. So I will be writing pi rho square h minus pi ri square h. So what is common here? Pi is common, I am going to take out. H is common, I am going to take out. And I am going to write rho square minus ri square. But again, this is of the form of a square minus b square formula. So what I am going to do? I am going to now use that formula. So when I use that formula, what happens? It comes to pi into h into ri plus ro into ri minus ro. So it comes to pi into, we found h is 14, ri is 7 by 20 and ro is 7 by 20 and ri is 1 by 20. So 7 by 20 plus 1 by 20, here it is, sorry, ro minus ri. So that comes to 7 by 20 minus 1 by 20. So this is 22 by 7 into 14 into common 20. So 8 by 20 into 6 by 7 minus 1 is 6. So bottom is the same. So just we need to subtract the top. So this comes to 7 ones are 7, 7 2, 2 ones are 2 tens are. Similarly here also 11 and 10. So 11 into 48. 11 into 8 6 are 48. That comes to 11 8s are 88. 11 4s are 44 plus 8 is 56 divided by 100, which comes to 5.68 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of the wood required, and 0.11 is the volume of the graphite required.